Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to segment contacts for targeted marketing in Hubspot CRM. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hubspot CRM account, which of course I have done right here. The next one is how can you create an account on Hubspot CRM? Number one, you have to launch in the browser of your choice. Next, locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type hubspot.com. That's going to take you to the official website for HubSpot. Once you get into the website, the top right corner, you're going to find the Get CRM for free. Click on that and sign in using an existing account or sign up by creating a new account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in HubSpot CRM. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to segment contact for targeted marketing. All right, in HubSpot. So from this homepage, you're going to check the top corner of your screen. You'll find a couple tabs: contact, conversations, marketing, sales, commerce, service, automation, and reporting. So click on contact, and here you have an extended menu: contact, companies, call, activity feeds, and lists. So go ahead and click on list. So once you click on list, it's going to take you to this list window. From the top right corner, go ahead and click on create list for you to create a new list. Now you create a list based on the market, based on the market. So let's say this list name. So you can click on contact based or company based or deal based, whichever one. So let's say contact based, and this list name is going to be market qualified segments. Add a description if you want to, or just click next. So here you have to add a filter to start building your list because these filters are pretty much important. So from here, let's say my filter category, I'm just going to click on contact properties and add my filter. Let's say date of last meeting. And then here you're going to have to add your date. So the date for that last meeting. So let's say this is it. So time zone, account, or UTC, whichever you can choose that. So once you're done editing this filter, so this is like a filter group. If you want to add more, click on this add filter to add more. And then next thing is click save list at the top right corner of your screen and you see that your list is processing. So this can take a few minutes and contacts will be added as soon as they're available. So it's adding the contact that is available. Now once it's done, so it says processing is complete. Your list has been processed. All right, so now that we're here, I can go back to list by clicking on back to list. Okay, so it's being processed, and once it is processed, you're going to see that it's definitely going to be added here. Or let's say, let's refresh. So I've refreshed and it's here, it's active. Market qualified segments uh, was the contact or was the list that we created. So this is how you can segment contacts for target marketing in Hubspot CRM. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.